We've got the iPhone 7 regular, non-plus. Stick it in the case. Oh, you can see it's actually bigger. Hey, what's up guys? This is Mr. Greek 2002, and in today's video guys, I'm talking about iPhone 12, all about iPhone 12. Some news, some rumors and leaks, and as well, the actual sizes of the phone. That's right. I've got all four cases here, you guys can see, of iPhone 12. The 12 regular, the 12 Max, the 12 Pro, and the 12 Pro Max. Alright guys, four cases. I'm gonna be comparing them up against an iPhone 4, an iPhone 5, an iPhone 7, and an iPhone 11 Pro Max. Albeit, it's a fake clone 11 Pro Max. It's basically the goof phone. It's not the real iPhone 11 Pro Max, but the size of it should be the exact same as the real model. So therefore, I'm gonna go ahead and use it in this video. What happened to my real iPhone 11 Pro Max? Well, first off, the screen cracked, okay? And then it had water damage, and the phone was dead, and it would not turn on. So I sold the phone for parts, and here I am today with the newest iPhone model that I have right now, being it just was an iPhone 6s, but I just sold that phone, and I'm left now with an iPhone 7. So without further ado, on to the video. I purchased all these cases off of AliExpress. I'll put the link, guys, down in the description below. And as you can see here, they each cost $1.98 Canadian. So for all four cases, I spent roughly about $8 Canadian. Alright guys, so here's all the cases. Okay. Let's take them out now, one by one. There we go. This is the 5.4 inch regular iPhone 12, non-pro. Okay, next up, the 6.1 inch regular iPhone. It's a iPhone 12 Max, non-pro. Okay, there it is, 6.1 inches. Next up is the next case, again 6.1 inches. This is, guys, the iPhone 12 Pro, non-Max, just regular iPhone 12 Pro. Alright, next up guys, we have the last one, but most certainly not least, it's the iPhone 12 Pro Max. A very big and tall boy. Okay, it measures 6.7 inches diagonally. Wonderful. So then we have the iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 Max, and iPhone 12 regular. There they are guys. Let's go ahead now and bring in the phones and compare them. We'll throw this packaging away for now. Let's put these guys away. Okay, up to the side. So I have first off here, iPhone 4. Next up guys, I have an iPhone 5 here. So 5 regular, non-S, non-SE, just 5 regular. Okay, next up guys, I have a iPhone 7. Okay, regular 4.7 inch, non-plus. Okay, and lastly guys, I have here a goof phone, fake iPhone 11 Pro Max with a fake camera area. You see it? Yeah, very fake, but the size of the phone is actually pretty close to the real one. Okay, so I primarily want to see how does this stack up with the old iPhones. This is a 5.4 inch. Putting it on the iPhone 4 here. You can see it's a big extra gap on top. Let's look at the back. The new iPhone 12 regular is way bigger than the iPhone 4. It's good news. Okay, I'll get the iPhone 5 and compare it. Stick it in the case. A bit of a gap here. Guys, not much. Alright, next we've got the iPhone 7 regular, non-plus. Stick it in the case. Oh, you can see it's actually bigger than the case. Wow guys, so the iPhone 7 4.7 inch is bigger than the 5.4 inch iPhone 12 regular. Wow guys, astonishing. Let's put it on top. Wow, small gap there. Alright, So you guys can see that the new iPhone 12 regular is bigger than an iPhone 5, 5S, 5SE, and smaller than an iPhone 7 or 6. Okay, so therefore, it's a perfect size, right in the middle between these size devices. So therefore, I think it's gonna really sell so much and do so well in the sales department, because I'm sure there's a lot of people out there, mainly ladies, young teenagers, smaller guys, who are gonna wanna have a smaller phone with a nice big size screen in their pockets. That's for sure. All right, so these two sizes here, we know pretty much how big they are. Let's check out the newest size here, the iPhone 12 Pro Max size, the 6.7 inch versus the iPhone 11 Pro Max Goof phone, basically the fake phone. Let's go ahead now, guys, put it inside. Put it in this way, and look at that. To no surprise, it went right in. Wonderful. There's a bit of a gap up here, guys, but not too much, not majorly, so it's barely noticeable. Can check the phone in it a tiny bit, not too much. We can check the phone maybe about 1 millimeter or 2 millimeters or so. That's about it. It fits right in it. Let's look at the back camera. The back camera lens area is very big and very huge. This one is small to begin with anyway, so I'm sure the real iPhone 11 Pro Max camera area would be a tad bigger than this. So therefore, this camera area is therefore going to be bigger than the actual iPhone 11 Pro Max, that's for sure. Now I do have the actual iPhone 11 Pro Max case to compare this case to. I'll go ahead now and grab that, guys. So guys, here's my iPhone 11 Pro Max case. Okay, let's go down and compare it with the iPhone 12 Pro Max case. It's about the same size, I'd say, yeah. See, it's a tad bit shorter on top, tad bit shorter. Okay, let's look at the camera holes now. The camera holes, guys, here is way different. You see it? The bottom one here is the 11 Pro Max. The top one here is the 12 Pro Max. So it seems like it goes more further this way and out and down a little bit. Wow, guys, that's a humongous difference. So I'm guessing that they're going to indeed put in the LiDAR sensor in the camera section of the phone, for sure. They're going to have 3 regular cameras and 1 LiDAR sensor. Therefore, it's going to have 4 camera openings, and therefore making the camera part of the phone extremely large. Wow, amazing. So that, guys, pretty much concludes this part of the video. So there you have it, guys, the quick unbagging of my iPhone 12 cases. Okay, up against my iPhone 4, my iPhone 5, my iPhone 7, my fake goof phone, iPhone 11 Pro Max. Alrighty, we primarily looked at the biggest case, 6.7 inch iPhone 12 Pro Max, and the smallest case, the iPhone 12 basic model, 5.4 inch. The other 2 cases are from last year's models, the iPhone 11 regular. They're the 6.1 inch cases, okay? So I'm sure the case is the same as last year's, but the camera area in the back might be a little bit more bigger. I don't have an old iPhone 11 case to compare it to, so that's why today I couldn't really compare it to anything. I didn't have an iPhone 11 case, I didn't have an iPhone 11 phone, fake or real, so I couldn't do that. But I'm sure the cutout is a bit bigger. I compared this cutout was massively bigger than the regular iPhone 11 Pro Max case, that's for sure. It was like at least 1.25, if not 1.5 the size as the iPhone 11 Pro Max previous size case camera hole opening. It was a massive upgrade, that's for sure. Alright, now we'll get on to the second part of the video, which is the iPhone 12 news and rumors. Okay, I'll go ahead and put my cases off to the side here now. Wonderful. Alright, so a new report now is stating that Apple themselves officially have stated that yes, the rumors and leaks are true, and that the iPhone 12, pretty much all the models, all 4 of them that is, are going to be delayed by several weeks. How many weeks? They didn't say. My guess is between 2 and 4 weeks. So, half a month to 1 month. It's going to be the delay on the launch of the new iPhone 12 models, okay? So which phones are going to launch first? Well, what rumors are saying is the 6.1 inch iPhone 12 Max, the regular one, and the also 6.1 inch iPhone 12 Pro. Again, the Pro model, the regular one. are gonna come out first hand, okay? And then possibly after another couple weeks or more time, they're gonna bring out the all-new 5.4-inch iPhone 12 regular and the all-new 6.7-inch iPhone 12 Pro Max phones out. So if you're like me and you want to actually go ahead and get a 6.1-inch iPhone 12 Max or iPhone 12 Pro, you're in luck. It's rumored that we're gonna get our phones first. So I'm after the iPhone 12 Pro, the non-Max. I had the iPhone 12 Pro Max last year, but I found it too big and too clumsy. It kept on dropping. I cracked it. It kept on dropping. It fell in a puddle. So with all these problems, I think I'm better off sticking to the smaller phone, the 6.1-inch iPhone 12 Pro. That's right, guys. I don't want to go ahead and downgrade to a regular 12 Max. I want to get a 12 Pro. So that's what I'm getting. So hopefully this puts us in an October launch date for both 6.1-inch models and possibly a launch date of November for the 5.4-inch and the 6.7-inch. That's right, guys. So I'm going to be delayed about a month or so for my phone to come out and for me to get it. Alright? Next up, guys, I have here updated iPhone 12 pricing. The price has changed since the last update I gave you guys. The price went up $49 US. Wow, guys. The iPhone 12 now starts at $699 instead of the $649 previously rumored. Alright, guys? So went up $49. Wow, that is a lot. And while the iPhone 12's price has gone up $49, the actual capacity of the battery has gone down. It's now at 2,227 mAh for the regular iPhone 12 5.4-inch model, and then it goes to 2,775 mAh for the iPhone 12 Max 6.1-inch. Then it goes to 2,815 mAh for the iPhone 12 Pro, the 6.1-inch as well. And then finally it goes to 3,687 mAh for the top of the line big boy iPhone 12 Pro Max. Wow, guys. I really hope this A14 chip is so phenomenal and so amazing at saving battery life, because we sure are gonna need it. So this effectively concludes the video. Please guys, drop a huge like on this video and don't forget to subscribe. Take care, have a good day, and I'll see you guys on the next upload.